Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Buy Now Pay Later. This service provides flexible payment solutions for your online shopping. You can split eligible purchases into 4 interest-free payments, or opt for longer-term monthly financing for bigger items. It's a convenient way to manage your budget while still getting what you need. Just look for the PayPal Pay Later option when you're ready to check out. The Pay in 4 option is perfect for purchases ranging from $30 up to $1,500. When you choose this, your first payment is made immediately. The remaining 3 payments are then automatically deducted from your linked account every 2 weeks. The best part is, there are absolutely no interest charges or late fees involved, making it a straightforward way to spread out costs. For those larger purchases, typically over $199, PayPal offers monthly financing. This option allows you to spread payments over a longer period, sometimes up to 24 months. It's important to note that monthly financing may include interest, depending on the specific promotional offer. Always review the terms and conditions carefully before finalizing your purchase to understand all details. Managing your PayPal Pay Later plan is simple and convenient. All your payment schedules and details are easily accessible within your PayPal account dashboard. Payments are usually set up to be automatically deducted from your linked bank account or debit card. However, you always have the flexibility to make manual payments ahead of schedule if that suits you better. If you have any questions, PayPal support is there to help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.